So we're going to be in the RV today, and particularly up in the nose. The nose, since we bought this for the last 3 years, has been the bedroom of my daughter and my sons. My daughter's off at college now. Now it's just Nick's, and well, it's time to convert it back. We're going to be changing this back into the main bedroom, and we're going to give Nick the garage until he goes off to school in August. The garage has been amazing. It's a big space. It's a great bedroom. But if you carry anything with you, the bed has to be up, and I can't sleep well when the bed is up. I don't know. I don't know what it is about it, but it's just the way it is. So instead, we're gonna move our bedroom back up here. That way, if we are carrying e-bikes or something like that with us, we can still get a good night's sleep. And Nick's more adaptive. He can handle it. So we'll be turning this into our bedroom, the garage into Nick's bedroom, and then we're gonna get some roof work done. So we're gonna get the roof work done not too long from now. So that'll be in another video. But yeah, today I bought a frame. Instead of building a frame to put this back into a queen bed, I bought a frame. We're gonna try to mount it to this, and then I bought some legs to go with it instead of having to like drill a bunch of holes into the floor and stuff like that. So we're gonna see if we can make it work. So today we're gonna get this place cleaned out, and then we're gonna start working. This is where I want to say a very special thank you to rvmattress.com by Brooklyn Bedding for supplying us with a new Aurora Luxe mattress. It is so nice. We love it on our other beds, so we decided when we're going to put another bed in here, we have to go with them again, get a new mattress, and we got a topper this time, so I'm really curious to see what this one's like. This was actually a custom mattress that I had made out of a foam mattress so it would have a curve to match the wall. All right. I gotta fix the carpet there. Put the vent in. Yeah, clean some of this up. All right, there's the kit. We're gonna be putting this together, and it's gonna sit kind of on that up against the wall, so the bed only come out so far. Well, screws are just laying everywhere, so I'm gonna guess that I'm missing something. Especially since I just found somebody else's tool in here. Let's get to work. I might have all the parts. I think I have all the parts. Maybe it was returned because it didn't have legs. Now, I bought this intentionally knowing that it didn't have feet, because I didn't want it to have feet. So maybe that's why it was returned. Pretty easy to put together. You just put the outside base on, and then you got this middle support, which is another reason I liked it, because it is a heavy bed, because you know we went with RV mattress. There we go. All right, so that's the frame. So what it's going to do, it's going to sit right like that. So we'll still have all that room all the way around it, And I'm moving it towards this side because this nightstand's thicker than that one. And if I move to that side, it actually, because of the curved wall, you lose space. I mean, you gain a ton of floor room right here, but you're going to lose space over there. So it's going to go right here, kind of centered in the room. So that's the first little cross member. So there's 4 of them that have like this tape on it. So I was wondering where those go. You do 2 of them up front and 2 of them in the back. I guess that's to keep the mattress from moving maybe once it's on there. Oh, no slip tape. Yep. Now what I don't know is how I'm going to mount these feet on here. I got adjustable furniture legs because it's tall. It's not bad. It's gonna work pretty good, hopefully. I got these, and this actually adjusts. So I'm hoping I can use these on the ends and in the middle. Instead of having to build like wooden feet or legs and a frame and all that other mess. Because I'd like to be able to store stuff under the bed easily, not have to lift the mattress up. That's the goal. That might work. That might actually work. Adjust these legs so that it holds it up. I put 3 on the ends and maybe 3. I have 8 legs. Maybe 3 across the middle right there. And then it leaves all under the bed open for storage. Alright, so I think I'm going to do the legs like that just to give myself enough support. Like I said, I have 8 legs, but I think 4 will be fine. And then before I mount the bed in, I'm going to go get some carpet, of course, and redo this wall. I also have to fix this line that the other bed made that I took out. And then I'm going to build this up so that it's like a cubby hole. And I think we're going to do some like wooden tops on both sides to make it match. So we're going to replace those too. Should be a fun project, but it's coming along. Look at that. Simple, super simple. I'll drop the link to the bed frame and the legs just so you can see kind of what I was working with, but I think that worked out great. And plus the floor is not perfect. So when you try to build with wood, like you're trying to square everything and it just doesn't come out right sometimes. These I can adjust individually, so it worked out really good. All right, so tomorrow we'll try to get some carpet in here, and then we'll figure out how to mount these legs to this frame, because that's the next thing I need to solve, and then how to mount the frame to the actual RV so that thing doesn't slide around while we're going down the road. But lots of room to walk around here. I really like this. All right, day 2 of turning this back into a bedroom, or a regular bedroom, like kind of like the way we bought it. Anyways, so today I'm working on getting this carpet. I found some carpet. It's not exactly the same, but it's really, really close, and you're going to see it on 2 sides of the bed. So for your eyes to make the connection that it's not exactly right, probably slim to none. But we're going to go ahead and get that started. So watch me put some carpet in. Have I mentioned how much I dislike carpeting? Probably not. Probably not enough. can see right there where I seamed it, but I mean, to me it looks like it's just new carpet, like worn and new. But again, the bed is going to come out to here, so you won't see the new and the old carpet side by side. But here you go, carpeted back. All right, now I need to attach those legs to this frame. I got a 1x4 cut, and I'm going to screw through the frame itself and bolt it. But I'm going to bolt it with the legs too. So let me show you how I'm going to connect these. Not a ton of room to work in here, but it'll do. So what I'm having to do is, like, I bought bolts that are just a little too big to go through those holes. So I got this. I mean, I've had it, but I got that out to help me just bore them a little bit. And it's just the first, it's like literally the first little bump. Okay, here's what I did. I went through the frame here with these bolts, through this piece of wood into this so that I could screw the other two holes in there, and I did that for all three legs. So all three legs are connected to the frame. All right, it's time to put the bed in its place. Have to adjust the leg a lot. There we go. Bedford. Now I just need to secure it to that up there. And then I'm going to drill a hole through each one of these feet and put a screw through it. And that way the feet can't move from under the bed. So I bolted it in. Put my feet right there. This thing's ready for a mattress. All right, guess who's back? Day 3 of the front bedroom reno. This is mounted now. Got my tools cleaned up. It's pretty secure. And now it's time to add a mattress. And this is where I want to say a very special thank you to rvmattress.com by Brooklyn Bedding for supplying us with a new Aurora Luxe mattress. There we go. If you've purchased one of these before, you know they're kind of heavy. So carrying this thing around by myself, let's hope I get it the right side up this time. Last time we got one, we like cut it, all the air started filling up and it was upside down. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing. It's amazing how they can get this big mattress down to this little bitty package. But man, is that thing condensed. I'm actually going to lay this box down. I'm going to slide it out. Well, here goes nothing. Let's hope the frame holds. Like I said, anybody who knows that bought one of these, it should be a team effort to lift it. Don't try to lift it. This is not easy by yourself. And it's trying to expand now. You hear it? Oh no! It's gonna end up upside down again. Come this way before you get fluffy. Almost got to bed. Oh, that feels good. This is amazing. Thank you so much, Brooklyn Bedding. I love these mattresses. And it's not even full. Like, it takes like 24 hours to really expand all the way, but man, this one's got the quilted. This one's different than our other one. It is really nice. And this is our new bedroom. Alright, well that does it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed this quick renovation of the front room. I think it's gonna be really good for us. Particularly since Luna actually loves to sleep under our bed. We could put a dog bed under there now. Like, it's wide open. So yeah, that's it for today. Alright, let's see what else we can get into.